Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have what you need: a working keyboard and a responsive Windows session. Place your fingers on Control, Shift, and ESC. Make sure no other app has captured input. Now press all three keys at once, Control plus Shift plus ESC. This exact combination bypasses extra menus and launches Task Manager immediately. Once done, the Task Manager window appears without asking for additional steps. You're now ready to inspect processes, CPU use, memory, or shut down unresponsive apps. After pressing Control plus Shift plus ESC, you'll see Task Manager open. If it's compact, choose more details to reveal full tabs like Processes, Performance, and Startup. If a user account control prompt appears, Task Manager needs administrative privileges. Provide credentials or choose Yes to continue. Once visible, you can sort by CPU or memory to find a misbehaving process. Make sure to let the interface fully populate before ending tasks, because killing the wrong service can destabilize the system. With Task Manager open, choose the process you want to manage and click End Task to stop freezing applications. For deeper checks, view performance or details. Once done, close Task Manager or leave it open to monitor system recovery. If nothing happens when pressing Control plus Shift plus ESC, make sure the keyboard is connected and drivers are current. Test with the on-screen keyboard or switch to Control plus Alt plus Delete as a diagnostic step. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle and disable sticky keys or filter keys in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.